Respected guardians and students, Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, I am Shathi. Welcome to my channel, Teaching Method with Shathi Miss. I am going to show you some first factorization trick that will help you solve algebra problem in second. So let's get started. Whenever you have an algebraic expression, first look for, if you see something like topic is difference of a square, okay, difference of a squares. If you see something like a square minus b square, so a plus b, so that's mean a plus b, a minus b. We can always write a plus b, a minus b. M square minus n square, we can always write m plus n, m minus n, okay. Again some example, p square minus q square, p plus q, p minus q, okay. Now let's see some example, s square minus 16. So at first we break down 16. So we know that perfect square 4 whole square, that means 16. So now we apply this identities or formula, a plus b, a minus b. We can write, always write a plus b, a minus b, okay. Again let's see, m square minus k, 49. So m square or 49 is perfect square break down 7 whole square. So m plus 7, m minus 7. So this one perfect square subtraction. So that's all for today's. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more maths. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.